government has also set up temporary testing
Order
stations.
local police and military to... Numbers in the country have currently surpassed 2,300, with more than 90 deaths from the coronavirus.
Has now surpassed Indonesia as the
government has heard their pleas and is doing all it can to curb the spread of the virus.
We have therefore made the assessment that COVID-19 can be characterized as a pandemic.
As a third wave of coronavirus cases threatens to overwhelm medical facilities.
The Asian stock markets continue to struggle as concerns over economic disruption from the virus continues.